Hi, this is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. The question today is, what are the chances of me winning my personal injury lawsuit case? I don't know if you've heard this before, but one of a lawyer's favorite answers is, it depends. And this answer depends on a lot of things. So if we take, for example, the traditional type of a case that personal injury settlements are about, which is a car accident case, and we look at who was at fault. Even in a car accident case, fault can be tricky. So if it's a accident that happens on the highway, there's multiple vehicles involved, there's shared lane issues or switching lanes or changing lanes, and issues with visibility. There's a lot of reasons why one driver may or may not be at fault or be clearly at fault, which is really the question. The next part is, in that same car accident scenario, whether the person admitted fault at the scene, and or if they subsequently admitted fault either because they were cited with a traffic ticket and they appeared in court and admitted that, for instance, they failed to maintain their lane, they failed to obey a traffic control device, or they were following too close, or they were speeding, or some other infraction. And if one of those is admitted in a subsequent hearing, then you're going to have a clearer case of liability. What I'm getting at is, in all of these different scenarios, there's going to be a lot of factors that go into whether or not your case is going to win or not, because it's all going to come down to that liability issue and whether that's been clearly established or not. The next question is, what are the appropriate damages that you would get depending on the type of case you have? That's not a topic for today. The only question was, am I going to win? And whether you're going to win depends on how clear-cut liability is. The next part is, obviously, if it goes to a jury trial, convincing that jury with a good attorney that the liability is true, correct, accurate, and that you should prevail on your case. But that also is a story for another time. If you have further questions about whether or not you're going to win your personal injury case, a good person to ask is usually an attorney. As I've talked about in other videos, and I'm going to link to a video down below, whether attorneys take cases they can't win, that's kind of a good jumping off point about whether or not you're going to win your personal injury lawsuit. This is Blaine Cluten for Cluten Law. Thank you.